In front of me is AGM Mobile Smart Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Select Google Password Manager and tap on the password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finished, click Save at the top right corner to save your changes, or this X at the top left one to discard them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!